Bitcoin is creating a new symmetrical triangle in the imminent short term. While Bitcoin is sitting at these all-time lows in Bitcoin volatility, and literally the Bollinger Bands are currently in the tightest position in Bitcoin history. So we are about to witness a gigantic Bitcoin move being created, and you should be getting prepared. And I personally already have a trade opened with right now about 2.8k in profits, which I'm looking to be riding all the way up towards this 38k level being reached. Now, first of all, as always, having a look in towards the imminent short term, we cannot really see like a lot of things are happening. Yes, of course, we are trading inside of a new week, so we can be expecting a higher amount of volatility, which we also did indeed see being created today. We definitely did create a lot more price action than we did, for example, yesterday and the day before. Now, in the end of the day, we are just currently trading inside of this consolidation range, and what will be very important to have a look in towards is if we are either going to be breaking this one towards the upside, or if we are going to be breaking this one towards the downside. And that will be deciding if we are going to be seeing lower prices getting reached, or if we are going to be seeing higher prices getting reached. Because, well, at the same time of breaking this consolidation range, we will also be breaking out of this Bollinger Bands right here. And this will be deciding if we are either going to be getting our downwards momentum getting created, or our upwards momentum being created. Now, over the past couple of weeks, we have also been forming this new symmetrical triangle, and I definitely would say that the break to either the upside or towards the downside of this symmetrical triangle right here will also be very deciding if we are actually going to be breaking this one out towards the upside or this one out towards the downside. So definitely this symmetrical triangle that we are forming right now in the imminent short term will be very important to have a look in towards. And if you do want to be staying up to date about this symmetrical triangle, make sure to be following me on Twitter. We can also of course see that we have been breaking out of this falling wedge pattern towards the upside. Now in the end of the day, we are just testing some major levels right now in the longer term charts. So that is why we are getting huge amounts of resistance, and we need to be choosing a direction anytime soon, because also on this chart we can be seeing that we are coming in towards this apex. Literally in the coming few weeks, we need to be deciding if we are either going to be breaking this one towards the upside, or if we are going to be breaking it towards the downside, just like this ascending triangle that we have also been creating. And well, also for this pattern, if we are going to be breaking this one towards the downside, well, we are in some major trouble. We will probably get this major volatility coming in towards the downside. But also for the other side, if we are going to be breaking this one towards the upside, well, we are just going to be getting a lot of volatility being created towards the upside. Now, in the end of the day, what will be the most important level to break is going to be this 29.8k level. Whenever we can be breaking above this level right here, I think we can safely say that we are headed even higher towards the upside. Okay, so this will be the most important level to watch for Bitcoin. And other than that, of course, I have already prepared myself with this long position on Bitcat, because of all of these longer term charts are right now all pointing in towards the direction that we are going to be seeing a massive breakout happening towards the upside. I have been sharing all of these signals over the past couple of weeks on my Twitter page, and because of all of these longer term charts, I just think it is going to be way more likely that we are going to be breaking this one towards the upside. But in the end of the day, if you have not joined me with this position right there that I've taken earlier, well, you can be having a look in towards this new symmetrical triangle that we are right now forming, and at the point of the breakout, this might be presenting you with a very good trading opportunity. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.